the rear alley. Suspect is a female, black, 20 to 30, pink or blonde dress, athletic build, wearing a vest, shirt, shorts. Suspect is a white Ford, license plate Ford, Tom King Robert 924, Ford Tom King Robert 924. Suspect pertaining to a white GMC Sierra pickup truck. Code towards 4093, early 1363. Responding.
Northeast unit operation of the first driver of the company down to 2 freeway. That's the vehicle to pass the dam, partial white plate. Edward John David, last impact taking 7 of road for the south.
Wait.
Oriole Way.
6 Roger.
I need 2 additional units to building search.
Come on over here.
7823 is requesting 2 additional units, 92 Deering Avenue for building search.
Is there an apartment number?
Drives the car.
Congratulations.
902.
No alcohol tonight.
And no, 21050, kitchen chewing out your taco.
Like 7 o'clock. We took the
When's the last time you slept?
457 in the parking lot, 50 to 35, purpose of a location for the fighting footsteps for 30, 14.
I started my day out, being my dog in more way. I was just talking about the set. That's my day. So,
Stop 53, but it's fine to Excel, district.
well, I woke up at 8 o'clock. So, I think last time I guess I
10, yeah, 15 out of this time.
obviously 9.
Please come here around.
So,
45
yes.
to the additional units, so we're
That's what we're going.
I usually, like I said,
Or last
7
night.
o'clock. Yeah.
Okay.
9 o'clock, get to bed, start the day, 7 o'clock. Stuff like that. That's what I do.
This guy's volunteering a lot of info.
Any information, contact Santa Monica PD is 34110.
Look at this guy. They try real hard, huh?
Kind of is what it is, so we just deal with it.
You're not required to do any tests, man. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Just saying, man.
43, 41, so we're responding.
Put your head back.
41 responding.
Close your eyes.
You're not required to do these tests.
Once I tell you to close your eyes.
Sorry, that's an absolute point.
When I say start,
Property
what
taken was a bicycle and wallet.
For example,
696A, are you canceling 645 or backing on 641?
put my head in normal position. I'm going to open my eyes. That's 2, and then we'll say stop. So 3 simple.
645 is put back.
Alright, but you have to have your feet together though. Hands at your side. There you go. Put your head back for me.
Tell your friend he doesn't have to do those tests. But they're just a breathalyzer. That's all you have to do. They're making him like walk a line and stuff.
Who?
Your friend.
They don't have to do any tests.
Do not have to take any of those
Did they already
tests.
do the breathalyzer?
Just the
Did they
breathalyzer.
already do it?
No. But he's doing extra stuff right now. I tried to tell
Why
him.
do you have such an important camera?
What?
Why do you have such an important camera?
Such an important camera?
Yes.
It's not an important camera. It's just a camera.
There is no reason why you have 1, 2, 3.
Chill, bro.
I respect how many cameras this man has.
Well, they all have a purpose, man. This one's for going live. This is a 360 cam, and this is for static. This is my body cam in case this gets taken away.
Why would your camera get taken away from you?
Because there's idiots everywhere, bro.
And
Everywhere.
You're telling me that a civilian might take your camera from you.
Civilian, police, whatever.
If a policeman takes your camera from you, that's against the law.
They've done it, man. One of my camera setups is still in evidence right now.
Are you telling me that you're a First Amendment, auditor?
No.
So you just like to walk around with a camera then?
No, I'm here tonight specifically to document this DUI checkpoint.
Really?
Yeah,
Because
specifically.
because this DUI checkpoint.
Because someone needs to keep an eye on these guys.
Really?
Have you ever tried to get one of these guys' body cam footage?
Of course not.
Well, I mean, if you tried, they won't let you.
Of course not.
So it's just good to have an extra camera around, you know? Keep an eye on these guys. You know what I mean?
I agree with what you're saying, but at the same time,
No.
I did not give you did not give us consent to do this. Please.
Well, you
wow.
don't need consent, actually.
I was like, what is this? Some DUA type stuff.
Anyways, I was just answering your questions, bro. You know, you got my attention. So.
Exactly.
All right, man.
I saw you walking around with the camera.
Yeah, I just wanted to keep an eye on this.
You don't know what they're doing.
It's a DUI checkpoint.
You better tell me my Miranda rights right away.
Are you faded right now, bro?
I specifically am.
It's fine.
My
you
driver
faded.
is not. Oh, wow.
All right, you guys have a good one. Excuse me.
Take 100 on the percentage.